So before this video started, I know, bro, I know it's been 4 weeks, but you know what, I had to do some schoolwork and yeah,
Stop the cap.
but we back in the grind again. We finna do a Faygo vid today. If y'all don't know who SoFaygo is, y'all, let me just show you.
I've been living like a rock star, baby. It's all good. It's all good. I'm back on that case, I'm back on that hill. Don't know what it take, don't know how it feel. I'm switching the
Yeah, so that's basically Faygo. He's like a really fucking talented artist. One of my favorite for sure. So today we're gonna remake the song by SoFaygo. It's called Don't Hold the Fire. And this preset, y'all, this is probably one of the best presets I've made so far. It's so accurate, it's fucking clean as fuck. Yeah, this just matches SoFaygo's vibe like 100%. Yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna hop into FL. Okay, so now in FL, just gonna put on my headset. Okay, so here's the preset that I will be giving to y'all. I really recommend this shit if you want to invest in your sound, because this will definitely better your sound. It's just drag and drop. So yeah, and so basically what I did was remake the song, and I'm gonna show y'all how this shit sound raw first. By the way, the preset will come with one main preset, one layer preset, and one ad-lib preset. So I'm blessing y'all up. And we got some routes as well. To route the preset, all you gotta do is just press shift and click, and then adjust how much you want. But yeah, for the main preset, we don't have no long verb, we just have the normal verb. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this sound without no preset, and then we're gonna turn it on and see how it sounds afterwards. Okay, so this is how my vocals sound raw.
It's all good. It's all good. I'm back on that case, I'm back on the hill. Don't know what it takes, don't know how it feel. I'm switching the case, I'm standing on me. I'm standing on top, I'm
Yeah, y'all can hear that shit does not sound good. But once we turn this bitch on, y'all gonna hear it instantly. Listen.
I've been living like a rock star, baby. It's all good. It's all good. I'm back on that case, I'm back on the hill. Don't know what it take, don't know how it feel. I'm switching the case, I'm standing on beat. I'm standing on top, I'm high as a beat. And shawty wanna meet me, she ready. I told her gotta keep this shit steady. In the coupe, I take her out the Chevy. Dripping now, she stepping and she stepping. I'm back with the team, we on road.
Yeah, as y'all can hear, that's a huge ass difference, and yeah, this shit is just a game changer in my opinion. Now we're gonna play this back with the normal song and my remake. So we're just gonna switch between those. And keep in mind, his track is mastered and mine is not, so it's gonna sound a little bit different, but the vocal preset just, it's a game changer, y'all.
I've been living like a rock star, baby. It's all good. It's all good. I'm back on that case, I'm back on that hill. Don't know what it take, don't know how it feel. I'm switching the case, I'm standing on beat. I'm standing on top, I'm high as a beat. And shawty wanna meet me, she ready. I told her gotta keep this shit steady. In the coupe, I take her out the Chevy. Dripping now, she stepping and she stepping.
Yeah, y'all can hear that shit is so goddamn accurate. And if you want that more spacey vibe, as he has,
I'm back on that case, I'm back on that hill. I'm back on that case, I'm back on the hill.
you can do as I did here. You can layer it. This is how it sounds without layering.
I'm back on that case, I'm back on the hill.
And this is how it sounds with.
I'm back on that case, I'm back on the hill.
You can hear it's more spacey. But yeah, that's basically like the SoFaygo preset by me. And you can also check out all of my other videos where I show you how to sound like Juice WRLD, Lil TJ. And if you're also tapped into the underground scene, you maybe want to check out the video where I show you how to sound like Osama-san, or maybe Benji Bluebills, Ken Carson, all that shit. I got everything. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Join the Discord server. We got over like 3K members right now. You can collab with people in there. You can share presets. Just have a good time. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.